Riding a jet ski in my parents' house? Wait, I didn't even realize that was inside. My parents would kill me. This is just in the living room. He just moved the couch like it's nothing. Oh yeah, he puts the jet ski in the pool. That's smart. You fill the pool, the jet ski goes up. Dude, how's this even working? Oh no, he just called his dad. Dude, can you imagine? That's actually hilarious. That's so funny. Dude, his dad's going in his jeans. Oh, his dad wants to ride it. Wait, W dad, bro. My dad would have killed me. That's hilarious.